Hello everyone, welcome back to Gauri Ram Kitchen. Today we are going to see Methi Paratha. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's see how to do it. Take 1.5 cup big onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. For 2 cups of wheat flour, take 1 cup methi leaves finely chopped, handful of coriander leaves and half teaspoon ajwain and 3 to 4 green chilies finely chopped. Mix all the ingredients with the wheat flour and add 3 to 4 teaspoon refined oil. You can also add ghee. Mix the flour with dry ingredients first and then you can add water gradually. Don't make the dough watery. At the same time, don't make the dough hard. Add required amount of water correctly. Our methi chapati dough is ready. Now let's start making methi paratha. Take a rolling pan. Keep a plastic cover over it so that the dough won't stick to the rolling pan. Apply little oil to the rolling pin and dough. After that, just roll the methi paratha thin as possible. Now let's transfer the paratha to pan. No need to add oil. You can just fry it in a medium flame. When the paratha turns little brown in one side, flip it to the other side. Now our methi paratha is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.